name is Dorian. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple drawing stop motion video. So you'll need 2 stools, that's what I've used, and then 2 planks to go across, and then a baking tray, which I pinched from Mum's drawer. I got my phone for Stopmotion Studio, that's the app I use, and then I've got a marker and a tissue. So today I'm going to be making a video card for my uncle because it's his birthday on Saturday. Now, this is my script, and now I know what I'm going to do. I'm using a whiteboard right now for my drawings, but if you don't have a whiteboard you can use paper, but then you'd have to rub it out all the time and you might see some rub out all the time. Or you could use a chalkboard, which is basically the same as this. And I also have this outline here as well. So I use that so I know where I can draw. So I might recommend first put some blue tack under your whiteboard so that it stops it from moving. So it says here, this is Uncle Brad, so I'll start that bit. So first I should probably start by drawing Uncle Brad. There we go, I guess that looks good. Okay. And then I'll take a few photos. The reason I take about 5 to 10 photos for this is because when you have it on the speed 30, the maximum, you should have it on this, then that makes it a bit smoother. It's because then you want this to be, smooth, but then if you take one, it's going to just go zoom, and you won't even see what happens. So every time you want to do a still part, you should probably do 5 to 10 photos. If you want that to be like a little, stay there for a little bit. At the end, if this is too long, you can just delete a little bit to do some. So I've got 7 photos here. Now I can start doing a little next part. Like I might start doing a little arrow. So there's an arrow, and this is ghost image. So I rub this out. We can still see it there. So now I know that I need to place this here. So now I can see how far I need to move that. So now I'm going to, this is Uncle Brad, so I might start with a T and then H. I'll see you guys in the editing phase, so I'll start drawing. Alright, now that you've finished your movie, you need to start editing your movie. So I'll give you a little tour around what you have to work with on this app, Stopmotion Studio. So you've got voice recording in here. You've got a lot of sound effects in this. You can play around with that. Then settings, you've got movie speed per second. You want 30. And then there's shading where you can make all of this. But obviously we really just want the regular. And then there's also this. You can, oh wait, no, that doesn't work. There's a binoculars one. You have to pay for the others, which is kind of a shame. Filters, which you've got to pay for, which is also a shame. If you tap this, you'll go in here and you can use this for ghost cam, and that's like how many ghosts or onion skins you want. Then in here, you've got focus, zoom. You can also just go zoom, 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 zoom anyway. Let's just turn that bit off. This is brightness. And that's all really what you've got. So, unless you want to pay for things, let's start editing. This is Uncle Brad. So now that you've edited your video, that basically means you're done. If you want to add some more in the editing, you can put it onto iMovie and do some more editing. And there you go. That's how you make a video for stop motion. And I hope I can see you guys in a different video, maybe making a Lego stop motion video. Stay tuned for more videos. See you soon. Goodbye.